You have made your YouTube channel, you're starting up, making content, that's awesome, that's great, but there's this one thing that's stopping you to being that perfect video, or maybe just just need some technical hands to help you and achieve that goal. And it all starts with what you're recording right now. This video is sponsored by the like and subscribe button. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification, completely free, 100%. My name's Breaky. Welcome to Content Creator 101. And today we're going to be talking about the auto options or the auto functions of your DSLR, mirrorless, camera, phone, GoPro, anything and everything like that. Just want to give a heads up to you that it is best to go ahead and actually move over to manual. Now, do not be afraid. Don't be scared. I've gone through the journey. I've gone through those settings before. I have done auto, and for so many years, it's amazing. It's beautiful when you switch it over to manual and you take over that video footage. You take over that frame rate. You take over the lighting, anything, everything. It makes it beautiful and perfect. The main issue with being on auto is that the camera doesn't care what you think. What you think is a perfect image, a perfect video. It's gonna do its own settings, it's gonna crank up stuff, it's gonna make sure that whatever you're pointing the camera at the subject, at a scenery, landscape, portrait, anything, everything, it's gonna make sure that it looks bright. Like you can see the detail of the subject. However though, let's say you're in a dark room on everything, that auto function is gonna bump up everything to the extreme, which in your case may not be what you want. You wanna go and switch over to manual and just learn the steps, learn the ins and outs of your camera. The big tip I can help for on the video side is you do want to do the 180 rule. The way it works is that if your structure, your frames per second, FPS, the output for your video footage of the camera, you want to double that for your frame rate on your camera. So for example, if you're doing 24, you want to double that to 48. However, there are some cases that the camera can't go to 48. That's okay. Then you want to go a little bit higher, which will be 150. Same thing for your 60 or 30, and so on and so forth if you continue on with those bigger frames. Do keep in mind though, when you do that, that does bring a little bit of that light, it loses it. So just keep in mind, this is an FYI, that you just want to keep an eye on that and keep with the brightness. And hopefully that does help you out with a quick little tip of the 180 rule. The only function that I honestly, hands down, the best auto function is focus. Granted though, pretty much back then it wasn't that great before, there wasn't a lot of tracking, but as of now it's gotten a lot better. It's helping out a lot of people, a lot of content creators, and of course if you're just like a one person, one go crew, then autofocus is not bad. That's the one thing that out of everything, out of all the settings, autofocus is the way to go and the best thing you can do. And that is it. I hope this video does help out and continue growing as a content creator. Definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification, and of course just remember the 180 rule. Go ahead, jump into manual, do the best you can, and comment down below how long have you been doing manual. And of course comment down below as well if you do want me to go more in detail. I'll gladly do that. I'll show you from my cell phone to webcam to DSLR, anything and everything. Definitely do it. Comment down below. I'll help you out, you help me out. Okay? That's all we gotta do. And I'll see y'all around. Subscribe, check out my merch, check out my other videos, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.